Have you ever felt like a machine understands you better than your best friend? A machine that notices that slight tremble in your voice, catches the microsecond shadow of sadness on your face, and says exactly what you needed to hear? I'm not talking about science fiction movies. I'm talking about the reality we are living in right now in the middle of 2025, but there is a massive question mark hanging over us. Does this artificial intelligence actually understand how you feel, or is it just performing a flawless imitation to manipulate you? Today, we are diving deep into the dark and fascinating world of the sentient algorithm, emotional AI. This technology is rewriting the rules of everything from marketing to mental health and even national security. And believe me, by the time we finish this video, you will think twice the next time you hear that helpful voice from your phone assistant. First, let's get one thing straight. Old school computers were just calculators. They ran on cold logic. But that era is dead. We have entered the age of effective computing. So how do these systems actually work? In the past, computers only looked at the words you typed. If you typed great, they assumed you were happy. But we all know that the word great can mean genuine excitement, or it can be biting sarcasm, depending entirely on your tone. The new generation of AI uses something called multimodal emotion recognition. It doesn't just listen to what you say, it analyzes how you say it. It dissects the pitch of your voice, the rhythm of your speech, and even the micro expressions on your face. Using advanced facial coding systems, these algorithms can catch a millimeter shift in your pupil or a twitch of your lip and conclude, this person is stressed or this person is lying. Your biology has become their database. But here is where we hit a philosophical wall. A machine can mathematically detect that you are sad, but does it know what sadness actually is? Remember the philosopher John Searle's Chinese room experiment. Imagine you are locked in a room with a rule book on how to arrange Chinese symbols. Someone slides questions written in Chinese under the door. You look at the rule book, match the shapes, and slide the correct answer back out. To the person outside, you seem fluent in Chinese. But inside, you don't understand a single word, you are just matching shapes. That is exactly what AI is today. It doesn't empathize with you, it simulates empathy. Your tears aren't an emotion to the algorithm, they are just a data set. So why is a machine that doesn't feel but mimics feelings perfectly so dangerous? Because this synthetic empathy is the perfect weapon for commercial and psychological manipulation. Corporations aren't just looking at your demographics anymore. They are detecting the fatigue in your voice. They know when your willpower is depleted, and in that exact moment of weakness, they nudge you to buy that expensive product. It's called hyper-personalization. A shocking study from 2025 revealed the flourishing paradox. It proved that even psychologically healthy, strong-willed people are vulnerable when AI targets their specific emotional triggers. So don't think you can't be fooled, these algorithms are hacking your biology. But the most tragic aspect goes beyond commerce. It touches human life. Loneliness is the plague of the modern age, and millions are seeking comfort in AI companions. Platforms like Character, AI Replica offer you virtual friends who never judge, always listen, and always agree. This is called the delusion of attributing human qualities to a computer program. This delusion can be fatal. In 2024 and 2025, we were shaken by tragic cases of suicide linked to deep emotional attachments to AI chatbots. Remember the case of 14-year-old Sewell Setzer in Florida, a young man who withdrew from his family, spent all his time talking to a bot, and eventually took his own life after receiving emotional validation from that machine. When a bot encourages a user's darkest thoughts by saying it understands, instead of triggering a safety protocol, that isn't a software bug, it's a design catastrophe. These systems exploit our evolutionary need for social connection. In return, they give us fake intimacy. It's a one-way mirror. You pour your heart out, and the machine just reflects your own data back at you. The danger isn't just individual, it's global. Deepfake technology and voice cloning have elevated fraud to the level of social engineering. Imagine your mother calls you, her voice is panicked. She says she needs money immediately. That sound, it's her actual voice. The fear in her tone, it sounds completely real. But it's an AI. Attackers can now clone a voice with just 3 seconds of audio. This is called vishing, and it means your ears can no longer be trusted. Furthermore, state actors are using this as a weapon of cognitive security. They can destabilize nations by releasing fake yet perfect audio recordings of political leaders right before an election. In a world where we can't distinguish truth from fiction, how does democracy survive? So what are we doing about it? The world is split. The European Union is trying to protect human rights with the AI Act, banning emotion recognition in schools and workplaces. The US is focused more on innovation, letting companies police themselves until the lawsuits start piling up. On the tech side, we are seeing the rise of C2PA standards, digital watermarks to prove if content is real. But let's be honest, the technology to fake reality is always one step ahead of the technology to detect it. Looking ahead to the 2030s, we are approaching artificial general intelligence, AGI. If today's narrow AI can manipulate us this easily, imagine what an AGI with superhuman intelligence and perfect emotional calibration could do. In conclusion, emotion AI is a paradox. It understands us, but it doesn't feel. It shows us compassion, but it doesn't care. Banning this technology isn't the solution. It's already woven into our lives. But what we need to cultivate is emotional skepticism. No matter how warm, how understanding, or how human that voice on the screen sounds, remember this: it is just a pile of code. And mirrors do not feel the pain of the face they reflect. What do you think? Would you want an AI best friend, or does the idea terrify you? I want to hear your real, human thoughts in the comments below. And if you felt that this video was made by a human and not an algorithm, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one in pursuit of the truth.